Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts and PixVerse. That's actually too easy to have been completed. You just need to go into the PixVerse, the AI websites, and also I want to open up another website which is YouTube. And on YouTube, I just want to head over into your profile picture on the top right corner right here, and then I want to go into view your channel on the blue color. Alright, so here I just want you to go into manage videos, and after that I want to go into the shorts. And once you're finished off generating your video on PixVerse, you just need to hit on upload, and you need to choose the video that you just generated on PixVerse and upload it into your shorts. So there are some conditions that you need to follow on PixVerse to make it as a YouTube short. So what I want to do is to go into create right here on the left menu, and after that I want to focus on the ratio of your video. So I want you to go into the 3 2.4 or 9 2.16. Let's consider that. I advise you, especially that 3 double dot 4. Alright, so duration it must be 8 seconds, and yeah, the other options is are up to you. And right here I want to upload that picture that I want it to be generated into a video, and after that I want just to describe the content you want to create right here. And either you can add the auto speech right here, what you want to hear, or what you want your followers on or the members of YouTube to hear on your shorts on your video. And the auto sound, you can also add a music right here, or a sound that you want it to be on your video. For example, here the sound of waves hitting the shore, so you can type something like that, or even add artist and the music of that artist. Alright, so once you are finished, you just need to hit the create right here on the bottom right corner, and it will be generated, and you just need to upload or download, sorry, that video to your devices files right here. And after that you just need to go into the channel contents on YouTube, this window, and then click on upload, and right here you just need to select file, and you will be forwarded into your files, and you'll just need to pick that video from there, and yeah, it will be uploaded on your shorts. Anyways, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.